Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the Finder application view using a keyboard shortcut on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application, and now if I were to go on the toolbar, go to view, we can change from icons to list to column and gallery by physically clicking on the drop down. However, in this tutorial, let's now use the keyboard shortcut. So Command 1 will take us to the icons. Let's now go to the list, Command 2. Let's now change to columns, Command 3. And now the last one as gallery, Command 4. I usually keep it at Command 1 so I can then see everything as icons. If I were to, let's just say, navigate and switch up, if I require to, the only other alternative I use is, let's just say, a list, as I want to then see the date of modification, the size, when I last accessed the file, and then I quickly switch back to icons to give me a clear view of everything on screen. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.